We decided that if we mess it up, at least it'll be funny.
We're so precious that no one's gonna care if it comes out terribly.
Now they're gonna hate us.
Who invited all those people to the party?
Great. Great. What camera? So many cameras.
Oh, okay.
Great. That's not the camera I would have chosen.
Hi, this is Jill, and our handmade team has gathered together to make.
Do you know that I figured out that I am 5'3"?
This is me normally, and I'm 5'2".
I just got measured and I am 5'3". I came home and told Caleb. What did she just say?
No, she goes, this is me normally, and I'm 5'2", and it was like, gunk.
Yeah, this is
what's
actually
this?
easier.
You're really shaky.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
160.
Stop shaking, did you? Stop it, stop. That's bloody.
So you know what you're supposed to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
On your.
Oh gosh.
How do we get back from this?
I don't think we do. Okay. And today we are making 3.
Looks just like you.
I know. That's how I feel on the inside. Empty.
Okay, Jessica, for this first ornament bulk gift, we are going to, I don't know what we're gonna do.
5'2".
No, don't you I am 5'2".
No one like.
Nope.
Oh. Oh God. Don't do that. Like, oh, I'm so sorry.
We are here with a very handmade holiday coming at you today with salt doles.
I'm sorry.
Hi, this is Jill, and our handmade team has gathered together to bring you all the Christmas cheer.
We're really the B team, aren't we?
So the trick with using a skill saw is to watch the blade. The blade. Oh, sorry. The trick with using a skill saw or a jigsaw even. What did I say?
The time to do that? No.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You're lucky I find you funny.
Yeah.
Very merry ideas.
Oh, look at
It's really original. Thank you, Gabby.
you! Okay, now we have like a little, just kind of,
We don't actually know what
we don't know what this is called.
Naomi Campbell. I don't know. I was trying
What?
to think of Naomi Campbell, but making it to a no.
No.
Naomi
No.
Campbell.
No.
Hi, this is Jill with Handmade.
Train wreck.
We're a sleigh wreck.
We're not on our.
Alright, and whenever you're ready, Jason.
Well, right now, again, I guess I am explaining that.
Welcome back to heaven.
And they all start with a plain ornament.
Let's get started.
Nope.
No muss, no fuss. Is that the word? I don't know. Is that how you say it?
Gnome. Yeah, that was right.
Making super cool stuff, and I have 2 amazing. No, they're not so amazing.
Hey Gabby, you could be all dough from salt.
I don't think I can take. I'm
What do you mean
very
no?
sensitive right now.
Because they're cool. Things that are big are cool.
This is just terrible.